welcome to our skit slime. Today we are making a big slime bubble.
Yay! So you guys are excited?
Yeah!
Yeah, guys, they are so ready to make the glue bubble using the Borax constellation.
Here's a bucket.
Oh, she has a bowl.
And we have this glue in this one.
Yeah,
Are you ready, guys? No, wait. It's something missing. Before you can click the red button and click the thumbs up.
Yeah, we are ready to make a slime. Now let's put all the glue in this bucket, okay?
This one?
Let's put the glue in the bowl. Now, after doing the glue, we are ready for the water, right?
Yeah.
We have 3 liter bottle of the glue. Now we're gonna mix 3 liter bottle of the same amount of the water. Yeah. Water time.
It's hot.
It's warm water, okay? It's not hot.
Are you guys ready to stick it? Because we have to stick it very well. This. Here you go. That's the water. Okay, guys. Now, are you ready to mix it up? Before putting the Borax constellation, we got to mix this very well, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go and mix it. Yay, mix. It's the 2 little hand having fun. Mixing. Okay, guys. This is almost ready. Now, we are ready for the mixture of Borax and water. So, okay, guys, you ready?
Yeah.
To mix it?
Yeah.
Sriza, ready? Mix. You got to mix very faster like this. See?
Mix very fast.
Okay. Yeah, they are so excited and look at them. Let's put 1 more spoon. Mix. Sriza, mix. Wow. Mix. It is getting it, guys. We are making it. We are getting it there. You'll see the giant bubble of the slime. We will be back. Ruby looks so happy. Ruby. Let me see. Yeah, look at that. Let's make a handprint. Can you make? Oh, you're playing with your sister?
Yeah.
So can you make your handprint?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Look at that, Ruby.
See.
Ready?
Yeah.
Steady. I don't know. We can make it. See? We got the tiny one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Steady. Are you excited? Yeah. I don't know. Hurry. Not very good, but yeah, just a tiny. Sriza is trying. Boom! Okay, Sriza is again ready.
Ready, set.
A perfect slime to play, but
It's
I don't know.
Bandaids.
Oh, so make a Bandaids, guys. Yeah, thank you so much for watching.
One is can make a Bandage. I show you.
Look. Thank you so much for watching the RS
Tomorrow
Kids
we're gonna make 2 colors. I'm gonna make blue and green, but we're gonna make purple and that color.
Yeah, Sriza and Ruby.
And they need to make us. And do you know? Guess that video we watch out tomorrow. We make a slime video tomorrow.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a nice time. RS Kids are enjoying real good. Yeah, that's all I want. Have a nice time. Thank you for watching us. Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Okay.
Bye.